Hey everyone, welcome to this full guide on how to use Dropbox for file sharing and storage in 2026. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to upload, organize, and share files easily. First, open Dropbox and log in with your email or Google account. If you don't have an account, you can create one quickly. Next, upload your files by dragging and dropping them into Dropbox. This works for documents, images, and videos easily. Now create folders to organize your files properly. This helps you find everything faster later. After that, remember, Dropbox is cloud storage. Your files are stored online and accessible from any device. Next, you can share files or folders by clicking the Share button and copying the link. This makes sharing very simple. Now control access permissions, so you can decide who can view or edit your files. This is important for privacy and teamwork. After that, install the Dropbox mobile app so you can access files anywhere. This is useful for on-the-go access. Finally, use Dropbox to back up important files like documents, photos, and projects. This keeps your data safe even if your device breaks. So yeah, that's how you use Dropbox for file sharing and storage in 2026. Follow each step carefully and you'll be able to manage files like a pro. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more beginner tech tutorials. Hey everyone.